Welcome back, guys, to 509. So we got the Baja Rey, the Ford Raptor, the black Rhino body. So we're gonna unbox it real quick and then we're gonna test it out. So it comes with a DX3 Spectrum remote. Comes with batteries, that's pretty cool. Manual, and here's the truck. We're gonna be running 3S, but man, look at that suspension right here. Dude, that's so nice. This is what I like about Baja trucks, that they look realistic. I love the front of it, I love the body of it. You got two dudes inside. So you got light bar front, back. Just overall, pretty good looking truck. So here's just a little size comparison between the Super Baja Rey and then just the 110 scale Baja Rey. So that's it. Now this one goes away. I don't know if you guys can see, but I had to take this little piece off right here. There's a little piece. I had to take it out because the battery wouldn't fit. So I'm just running the Electron Pros 5200. All right, let's just see a little drop. Kind of want to run it at night sometime just to see how bright those lights are. And then you got the red ones in the back. So this remote does come with a throttle limiter, so it's pretty cool if you have, like, you know, just want to give it to your kids to drive it around or something, or somebody that, you know, just beginning. So you got 50, 75, and 100. We're just gonna go full 100. Yeah, it's super soft. This truck is just perfect for sand. Like, I mean, this is what it's made for. This thing is awesome. I think we maybe broke the bumper in the front. Ooh. So far, it's a really cool truck. I'm really digging it. Running just in the sand right here and stuff like that, it's awesome. We haven't bashed it too hard yet, but for sand and just like a desert truck, yeah, this thing is sick. Oh, dude, we broke off the bumper? Yeah, that's fine though. Who needs a bumper? Yeah. Man, I love the look. I like the body. Just the body looks so cool. Yeah, the batteries die so fast because the whole time you're flooring it on the sand. Battery dead already? Dude, this thing just like floats, man.
Now it's dead.
Oh, now it's dead. So far, my thoughts on it, really cool truck. I mean, it handles really good on sand. Like I said, we haven't like bashed it too hard. I mean, the body, you can see I already took off the paint. This side, that side, same with that truck, same thing. Just kind of takes off the paint inside. I love these kind of style trucks. I'll probably be driving this a lot more often. All right, so that's it for this video. Subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys next time.